नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू DKStu चैनल। टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट एंथैल्पी चेंज ऑफ एटोमाइजेशन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। CBSE board, SSC board and state board students can see this video. It is very helpful for them, and other students also who are preparing for various competition exam like SSC, CGL, for UPSC and other entrance exams. They can also watch this video if they want to know the concept of chemistry. It is a very important concept, and when you will see this video you will understand that what is enthalpy, what is atomization, and what is the enthalpy change of atomization. Let's start the video. So friends, in this video we will first understand that what is enthalpy. What is enthalpy? Enthalpy is heat released. Enthalpy is heat transfer, heat released. That is called enthalpy. Second is atomization. What is atomization? So to understand this atomization word, firstly we should know that what is atom, what is molecule. So friends, I will take an example. I have H2 and I have H. So which is molecule, which is atom? Can you tell me? So friends, this is molecule. This is molecule. And this is atom. H is atom. Okay? Means if molecule, what is molecule? When two or more atoms combine each other, then they make molecule. Both are stable, both can exist in independent state. Okay, but molecule is made up of multiple atoms. Like H2, there are two atoms of H. Like H2O, in H2O there is two atom of H and one atom of O. So H2O is molecule. Cl is atom, but Cl2 is molecule. So I think you understood that what is the difference between molecule and atom. Molecule is made up of atoms and atom is a single entity. Okay friends, so now we will understand that what is enthalpy change of atomization. So for this I write an equation, then you can easily understand it. Suppose I want to convert Cl2 in Cl. Okay, so there are two atoms of Cl. So when I will convert Cl2 in Cl, then two atoms of Cl will form. Two atoms of Cl will form. So friends, to make Cl2, to make Cl from Cl2, what I have to do? I have to break the bond between Cl. Cl2 is what? Cl2 is molecule. So there is a bond between two Cl atom. There is a single bond between two Cl atom. Okay, so to make individual atom from this molecule, Cl2 molecule, I have to break this bond. So to break this bond I have to give some energy. That energy which I am giving is called enthalpy change of atomization. Okay दोस्तों, the energy when I will break this bond, I need some energy. So that energy which I need to break this bond so that individual atom is formed, means Cl2 converts into individual atom Cl. That energy is called enthalpy of atomization. It is represented as delta H ATM, enthalpy of atomization. Understood? So this is the enthalpy change of atomization, the energy required to convert molecule into its atoms, into its constituent atom. For example, if we have H2O and we are converting into 2H and O separately, then the energy which we require to do this, that is called enthalpy change of atomization. Okay, means suppose it has some energy and after making it has some energy. So what is the change? For example, this is Cl2. From Cl2, 2Cl is formed. So at this stage, for example, it has 100 joule energy at this stage, and after making 2Cl it has, for example, 200 joule energy. So what is the difference between these two? 200 minus 100, that is enthalpy change. From where is this change comes? From where this energy increases? The energy which we give to break the bond of Cl, that is called enthalpy, that we give. Okay, and this difference is called enthalpy change of atomization. This difference is called enthalpy change of atomization. Understood? So friends, if you have any problem in this topic and want to know more about this topic, then please comment me. I will give the detailed explanation of this topic in separate video. And if you want to get personal coaching, personal tuition or online help from me regarding your career, regarding your education and any other help regarding your studies, then you can contact me. I have given the contact number, WhatsApp number, Facebook ID and email ID in description. You can see that and you can reach me using those contacts. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.